Today, we're going to look at the first topic in biology, living organisms. Let us start by defining what a living organism is. This is an organism that has life and can undergo the characteristics of a living cell. You should be able to remember the characteristics of a living organism. These questions are very common in exams, and this is how you can remember it. I'll give you a memory aid. Mrs. Green. Here's how it goes. M for movement, R for respiration, S for sensitivity, G for growth, R for reproduction, E for excretion, N for nutrition. And now let's define them. M, movement. Movement is the process by which living organisms change their position or location without external help. By external help, what is simply meant is that they don't require other organisms or any factor to move or just change their location rather. So, let me give you an example which you can relate with. You as a person are an organism, right? I'm being respectful. Sorry if you consider this to be disrespect, but I want this to relate to you. M, movement. You're an organism. You don't need any factor or any person to move you. You have two legs. You get up, you move. You don't require any factor or any other person to make you change your location or position. Let's go to R, respiration. Respiration is the release of energy from food substances inside living cells. Also know this, respiration is divided into two categories. We have aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is a type of respiration that involves oxygen, and anaerobic respiration is the type of respiration that doesn't involve oxygen. To put it into definition, we would define aerobic respiration as the release of energy from food substances inside living cells in the presence of oxygen. As for anaerobic respiration, we would define it like this. This is the release of energy from food substances inside living cells in the absence of oxygen. Note, aerobic respiration yields more energy than anaerobic respiration. S, sensitivity. This is the ability to detect and respond to a stimuli. G, growth. This is the permanent increase in size, a number of cells, and the complexity of an organism. R, reproduction. This is the process by which living things produce their young ones, offspring. E, excretion. This is the removal of toxic metabolic waste from the body of an organism. And finally, we have nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which living organisms obtain food from their environment. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe. God bless.